What is going on, guys? Z here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a hotspot on your Windows 10 computer. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to click on the start button all the way on the bottom left, type in CMD for command, it's short for command. Once you see the command prompt, which is right here, run command, you're going to right click on it. Again, right click on it, and you're going to run as administrator so that you have those extra privileges so that you can edit certain things with it. So you're going to run as administrator, and what we want to do now, and when you get the prompt, obviously you're going to click on yes, and right now what we're going to want to do is we're going to check if your Wi-Fi adapter supports hotspots. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to type in NETSH WLAN show drivers. Now, if you guys don't want to have to type that in, I will have all the text posted in the description, and all you'll need to do is go into the description, copy it, and then paste it within command prompt. And the way you would do that is Control-C, Control-V. For those that don't know, Control-C is copy. You highlight the text, you copy it, then Control-V, you go enter the command prompt, press Control-V, and it would paste it in there, and then you just click enter. So now we're going to see if my Wi-Fi card supports hosted network. So I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to look for hosted network supported. And over here it says yes. So now I know that my network adapter supports hotspot. So that's step one. Okay guys, so once you know that your network card is supported for hosting a network, you can now go ahead and create the network. So this is how we're going to do it. You're going to type in NETSH WLAN set space hosted network space mode =, allow SSID, we're going to name it lombardistolemyshoes, space key, and for key this is going to be the password. So the SSID right here that you guys see, this is the name of the network that I'm hosting, the Wi-Fi name, so that when your devices need to connect to the name, it'll be lombardistolemyshoes. Sorry, I did miss out something here. SSID, we'll do an =, my bad. And now for key, we're going to do again key =, and you're going to type in the password. Now the password does need to be 8 characters long. So I will, for the sake of this video, I guess I'll make it let's say 876543221, and that will be the password. So anybody connecting to the computer, to the network, will need to type in 876543221. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to press enter. And now the network has been set to allow, and now we're going to actually start the network. And again, guys, I will have all these things posted in the description, so you guys can just copy it by Control-C, highlight Control-C, go into the command prompt that you see here, click, and then type in, click on Control-V on your keyboard, and then you'll just basically press enter. So now the next step that we're going to do is we're going to actually start up the network. So now we already typed in the information, we typed in the name, we typed in the password, and now we're going to start the network. So to start the network, I would type in NETSH WLAN space WLAN start hosted network. And again, I will have the text in the description of this video, so you guys can just simply copy and paste it. So now I'm going to press enter, and you guys will see that it will create the network. So as you can see there, it says the hosted network has started. So now if I go on any of my devices and I look for wireless connections, I will see this connection right here, and I'll prove it to you guys in just a moment. But before that, we need to now allow connections. Any connections coming into this computer, we need to allow the connections to connect to the internet. Because right now they're just connected to the network, so you have a LAN, you have I don't want to make this too complicated. Basically, all the devices that are connected. They can now share files, but they cannot connect to the internet. So now what you want to do is you're going to go into the wireless settings. So right click on the radio button right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You're going to right click there. You're going to do open network sharing. I'll just wait for that to start up. And now you're going to go on the network that is actually connected to the internet. So in my case, the one that I'm connected to the internet on my main computer is the Wi-Fi TICFA. Now I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on properties. I'm just going to move this over because I will need to see this area right here. So remember, I'm going to click on TICFA, my main network, and you're going to click on your main internet connection wherever you're connected to, and you're going to click on properties. And once you're in properties, you're going to click on sharing, and you're going to put a check mark right here by allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection, and that will allow the other devices that are connected to the computer to connect them to the internet. They will now be able to connect to the internet, but just uncheck this box right here because you don't want them disabling or connecting. You don't want them controlling the internet from their devices. So uncheck, put a check mark there, and in this box right here, you guys will be able to scroll. If you click on it, you'll be able to scroll, and you're going to click on you're going to choose the connection that's right here by lombardistolemyshoes. So as you can see, by lombardistolemyshoes, it says local area connection 5. So over here I chose 5. You don't need to type in anything. You will have a scroll menu. I already did it. That's why I don't have it anymore. But if you click there in this box, it will have a scroll down menu, and you will be able to choose the local area, whichever one it is. In my case it's 5, but in your case it might be 3, it might be 2, it might be 4, whatever it is. You need to check right here wherever this is across, this is parallel to. Once you're done that, you're going to click OK, and now your network is set up. And now I'm just going to show you guys that I can connect to the network of lombardistolemyshoes, and you guys will see that it will now work. So again, if you guys had any difficulty, you didn't know what to type in or whatever, you just go into the description, copy and paste it. And again, this will work with Windows and only Windows 10. This copy and paste method. For some reason they didn't implement it in 7, or I don't think 8, but it will work in Windows 10. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you did find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.